Hey, it's Navros over at T&T Honda. Are you thinking about an upcoming road trip? I've got some pro tips for you. First thing is, make sure your windshield washer fluid is topped up. You never know what kind of weather you're going to run into, and it's always good to have that topped up. Second thing is, make sure that your tires have enough pressure in them. You can do this easily at a gas station, or you can bring it in here to our service drive and we'll do that for you in just a couple of seconds, no issues. You may also want to consider having an emergency kit in the vehicle with safety supplies and so on. Also very important nowadays with all the electronics and GPS that we need to use, make sure you have a charger that your phone will plug into for the vehicle. Or if your car is older and you don't have that capability, at least get some kind of a power bank so you have some supply of power as you're going on your road trip for your electronic devices. Another thing that you may want to consider is giving your vehicle a complete clean before you head out, so it's very easy and easy for you to look out the windows and make sure everything is nice and clean. Another very important thing is check the road conditions, because you never know what's going to happen. There could be something happening on the planned route that you're thinking of, so check that before you head out, along with the weather conditions, so you're prepared for that. In the event that you do come across some kind of an issue while you're out on your road trip, if you have a car that's 3 years old or newer, did you know that you automatically have Honda roadside assistance? So that's something that could come in very handy. If you don't have roadside assistance because your car is a little bit older, it is available for purchase at a very nominal cost. So check in with us and we'll let you know what that looks like as well. These are a few of the pro tips that we have before you head out on your road trip. T&T Honda, steering you straight.